So let's see one way to do it together. To get the value of the left child, I'll just call evaluate expression recursively. To get the value of the right child, I'll do the same, but for the right-hand side of the abstract syntax tree. If the operator is plus, I'll just add them together, returning the sum of the left value and the right value. Otherwise, if the operator is minus, I'll just subtract them, return the left value minus the right value. To some of you, this may seem a little weird. I'm defining plus in terms of plus in Python. That is, in order to explain how JavaScript works, I'm saying, well, JavaScript asked you to do some addition. Why don't you just do it in Python? But remember that an interpreter is really like a translator, so it should not be surprising. If you're teaching someone how to speak French, and they ask you, what does a French word mean? What's the French word for big? Or how do I interpret the French word grande? You might tell them, oh, it's just like the word big in the language that we speak. And this is that notion of they're universal underlying concepts, but we just have slightly different syntax for them. In this particular case, it looks a little weird because the JavaScript and the Python syntax for plus are exactly the same, but you'll see slight differences later. Remember that, for example, in function declarations, JavaScript and Python do actually look different. So it should look very similar now because the translation is very direct. This is like Romance languages that share common Latin roots.